G'day guys, how's it going? Another beautiful day here. Sun's out, snow's out. But anyway, do me a favor before we get started, just hit the like, because it helps the algorithm and helps my videos get out there. And subscribe if you will, please. Now, real quick one. So what we're doing today is obviously got the AirPro upgrade climate control kit for the G8, GT, and V6 obviously. And we're going to go and look at new screens for it. So anyway, that's what we're doing right now. So I headed down to the store. So yeah, we'll see you down there.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, down in the deep of my mind.
So here we are at Extreme Auto Sound in Louisville, Kentucky. So we're gonna go inside and check out the goods. Let's do it.
Times and I can get out.
Alright, so we're obviously in the store, so I'm going to show you guys the old speakers and then some of the new ones that we've picked out. Now the only thing we can't get today is the screen and the free subwoofers. Unfortunately it doesn't have any of those in stock unless you want marine stuff, which is what this is. Anyway, so let's have a look at the stock speakers and then the ones we're going to be putting in. So these are the original front door speakers. I think they're about a 5 1/4 or something like that. And they're called component speakers, and they usually have the tweeter and dash. So I'll be getting a set of those. These are the rear door speakers, and the tweeter is with the speaker. And these are the free air subs right here. This is the amplifier we're going to be using. And this is a screen. Now this is the ILX Alpine. And then these are the front speakers. So that screen I showed you was the ILX-409. It's a 9-inch screen. And then also come out and then brand new one. I mean, that one just came out like, I don't know, maybe a month ago or so. And there's another one coming out, the ILX-411, which is an 11-inch screen. So what we're going to do now is cruise back to the shop and do a little bit of a measurement and see if the 411 will fit. So that's where we're at. So So one thing I forgot to mention was the most of the screens you buy literally fit snugly inside the frame of the AeroPro. The ones we're looking at are oversized, and they actually have a cage that goes in the AeroPro doubled in area, and you can choose to put it in the top or the bottom part, and then there's a bracket on the back where the screen mounts, so it's slightly it's going to be sticking out, but it's going to look so much better. And like I said, it's either the 9 or the 11 inch. We've just got to make some measurements. The 9 definitely fits, the 11 maybe, and if that's the case, we'll go with the 11. Now, just as far as costing goes, I believe it's around $1,000 for the 9 or the 11. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's about $1,000. But yeah, you can get screens, you know, generic ones, cheap, couple $100. Then into brand names, $350, $400, $450, $500, and then it just goes up and up. It just depends on what you want, and you know, your functions, your features. Obviously, Apple CarPlay is a big deal, and that's, you either go wireless or corded. Did you say corded? Wireless or wired? I said corded. Anyway, so yeah, like I said, let's go over to the shop and measure up this thing and see which screen's going to work. We'll see you there. Alright guys, so here we are at the shop, and this is going to be the size of the screen. So that's ILX-409, which is a 9-inch screen. Oh, and there's the unicorn right there. So let's go and have a look at the gauge pods and everything that Dan's been working on, and see how this will fit. Alright, so you guys probably remember the video about the Ortiz gauge pods. Well, when we got it, it was a mess. I showed you the video. So Dan's redoing all this right now, and then obviously this is where the screen's going to go. So probably about there. What we're probably going to do is Dan's going to probably recess these parts out right here and right here, and then that'll basically house in there. So yeah, that'll be pretty awesome. But just for reference sake, that's the stock Blaupunkt that comes in the G8. And that's going to be the new screen. Pretty significant, eh? Alright guys, so that's it. Do me a favour, give me a like, subscribe if you will. And one day we'll get this unicorn finished. So I appreciate you guys. Peace.
Oh, yeah.